really packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Keep on walking straight.
About to see the world in action, what we can be.
Functional expression number 4. Expressing distance. Repeat after me and observe. How far is Mrs. Chan's store from your house? It's 10 minutes on foot. How far is the cafe from the hospital? It's 15 minutes by car. How far is Hong Kong from the Philippines? It's 2 hours by plane. Let's practice. Observe the pictures on each of the slides and answer the questions. The first pictures. How far is Seoul from Busan? Very good. Another. How far is the health center from the park? Good. The third one. How far is Mall of Asia from your apartment? Excellent! Now, try to reply to the queries without any guide. The first pictures. How far is the market from your office? Excellent! Another? How far is Manila from Puerto Galera? Wonderful! The last ones? How far is Malaysia from Singapore? Excellent! Congratulations! You did great! See you next time!
To a place where we don't